Welcome to space. Choose and select your partner to collaborate with on this journey. You choose Mycelium, red reishi, Ganoderma lucidium. Enjoy, and the best to both of you. We believe all living beings are intelligent and deserve respect. Mycelium, the invisible thread beneath our feet, holds the wisdom of nature. We believe that all living beings are intelligent and deserve respect. No species is better than another.
We're always learning from other species, and we're so grateful for their wisdom and adaptations. Each project, each encounter is a possibility, is a chance for us to grow, adapt to, and gain insight to a bigger picture than just ourselves. What if we could harness mycelium to solve challenges like waste management and create sustainable materials?
What can I learn from the growing process and adapt my workflow?
How can I intervene with the growth of mycelium?
What are my intentions? Sure, we've got everything we need for the day of incubation. We need distilled Petri dishes, water, an autoclave, a pair of gloves, disinfectant, microboxes with air filter, a heating mat if it gets too chilly, and to check the chill, a digital thermohygrometer, and an air filter.
Now we can get all the materials for the liquid feed together. You'll need peptone, malt extract, brewer's yeast, glucose, and distilled or pressure-cooked water.
When the liquid culture arrives, just pop it in the fridge at 7 degrees Celsius. Next, it's time to get your workstation ready. If necessary, change the filters on the large and small air chambers. Give all the surfaces and the growing tent a good clean.
Let's get started on those liquid feeds and disinfect those tools. You can pressure cook them at 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes to sterilize. And just a heads up, liquid malts should only be used for less than 15 minutes. When you're ready, let's start the timer and the cooking can begin. After you've prepared the substrate and sterilized everything, you're all set and ready to go.
It's really impressive to see little drops of water rolling around on the surface. The texture is clearly hydrophobic, which is really interesting to see. The surface was incredibly soft and smooth, like a pillow of cotton candy or a cloud. It's softer than anything you have ever felt. The underside was very liquid and had an amber beige golden color. Let's grow a sustainable future, one mycelium thread at a time. This is more than a product. It's a collaboration with nature, a solution that respects the planet, reduces waste, and opens doors to a circular economy. Have fun together and have a great time in space and grow together.
MYCO Space, where nature inspires creation.